Hello everyone, I am Mahbub Hussain, Assistant Professor of CSE and in charge for Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Cell, Vishnu Institute of Technology. Today I am here to share about some important inputs and submission process of MHRD Mega Online Challenge SAMADHAN, organizing by MHRD in association with MHRD's Innovation Cell and AICTE. Here we need to understand that importantly, we have two tracks in the Samadhan. One is track number one, completely based upon only ideas. And the second track is completely based upon working prototypes. That means in track one, you need to submit only the ideas. And in the track two, you can submit the working models and the prototypes. And remember guys, this challenge is open for every individual, that is for students as well as faculty members, researchers and individual startup companies too. So let us see how to submit the ideas and some more important points and the submission process. And here for the Samadhan, 5 lakhs cash prize has been announced and each and every winner will be received a 50 lakh incubation grants and also $10,000 of credits by AWS. And let us see how to submit for MHRD Mega Online Challenge Samadhan. Let us see the track number one first, the only ideas you can submit. So I'm clicking on this link. And this is the Google form opened, COVID-19 Samadhan. Here we have 4 rounds, starting from round 0 to round 3. Round 3 is the final round. Let us see what the round 0 is. Round 0 will end by 14th April, midnight, 11:55 p.m. From here, 200 applications will be shortlisted by 17th April, 8 p.m. and they will announce all the 200 participants. And this round is based upon the number of likes for your uploaded video on YouTube. And this is a short video of 2 minutes. So after completion of your video of your idea, and you need to submit on YouTube, and the YouTube link will be shared across all the social media, and it should gain more likes to win in the round 0. And the round 1, these 200 participants will be mentored on 18th April from morning 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and they ask you to submit the next version or updated version of the same idea by the same on the same day of 18th April by night 11:55 p.m. and organizers will email all the participants a YouTube link for their improved concepts and ask to share publicly. And the entire 21st April 10 a.m. to 22 April 5 p.m. is available for public voting and a curated YouTube channel. And the round 2 results will be announced on 22nd April 8 p.m. And from this round, 20 participants will be shortlisted, and these 20 participants will need to submit the final concept of the video along with the presentation by 23rd April 11:55 p.m. And from this round, the top 10 selected idea teams will be shortlisted and evaluated by experts, and result will be announced on 24th April. And in the final round, that is the round 3, these top 10 teams will be undergone an online jury from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. on 25th April, and the top 3 winners will be announced on the next day, that is 26th April. So this track 1 having completely 4 rounds, from selecting from n number of ideas to 200 and 200 to 10 final shortlisted winners. Okay, and here you need to submit some details like your name, mobile number, email ID, and what your type, like a student or educator, researcher, or any individual professional startups, and your size of the team. I suggest always go for only 5 or less. And name of the organization, maybe your institute, you need to fill here, and your city name, state name, and your idea concept less than 200 words. This is nothing but the abstract you need to submit here, and what exactly you are doing, for what purpose you are doing, who are the beneficiaries, and how your idea helps in this current situation to get out from this COVID-19 pandemic situation, and who are the beneficiaries. If you write all the things as an abstract less than 200 words, it will be beneficial, and you need to write it in this field. And after that, you need to write the theme, whether you are saving the lives with your idea, or communities, or business, or if any other things are there rather than these 3 items, you can click out here and write your theme here in a very short line, maybe 2 or 3 words. And your idea belongs to the category, and this is C. So you can prepare your idea based upon the themes, whether you are creating a policy, or you are suggesting any design, and your idea is about preparing any hardware or any software, or any research item, or the process, or any other things are there, you can simply click here and mention in this field. The important thing is, in this track one, you need to prepare an excellent video. Make sure that no disturbance is there, and you try to show your your solution there with 2 minutes of video, and upload on YouTube, and share the link here, and try to submit. That's all. This is for track one. Okay, and if you go for track two, see, track two, this is about only the working prototype models. And if you're ready with this prototype model or any like product, you can simply apply for the track two. I will show how to apply. See, here at the first time, it's asking about who you are. Like, are you a student, or innovator, or educator, or professional, or a startup? So select your theme. First of all, I am selecting student innovators to show our students how to fill this form. And you need to submit this field by entering our college name, as well as the stream like engineering. And if MBA students want to submit, like they can click on the others, and AP, like West Godavari district, and your name, gender, department, year of the study. Okay, so try to here year of the study, you need to mention only the numbers, not like this. Okay, it will not work out. Give the number. For example, if I'm studying third year, I'm giving this number. Email, like email, team size maybe 5 or less than 5, and go to next click button. So make sure before submitting you are giving the right and proper details. And this is the second phase of the forum, and what the challenge you want to solve. This is the category, and which type of problem you are solving. Here we have many problem statements, like are you submitting your idea towards remote work and remote education, or simply stabilizing the affected businesses in this shutdown uh, timeline, and professional hygiene on protections, and based upon vulnerable groups, or medical system, social communities, screening, testing, and open category is also there. If you select open category, you need to write some about the open category. And if I select like this, anything is there. So open category, if you have any other ideas. And next step is like what is the stage of your solution, whether you are fully functional prototype developed, or proof of concept is developed, or pilots deployed, or it's a project, pilot project, or manufacturing is ready. And here the 4 options are there. Based upon your stage of your prototype model, you can select any of these 4 and describe the problem scenario and its significance. So this is a very much important point here. You need to submit here what exactly you are trying to solve. That means what problem you are considering and what solution you are providing for that problem. And also you need to mention who are the target beneficiaries for your solution. For example, already affected people, or the business people, or who are in isolation, or like this, who are the most target beneficiaries, and what are the problems they face, and how effectively your solution is providing solution for the problem statement. You need to mention it here. And then what are the technology possibilities to solve this challenge, and how technically we can help them, and how technically we can support for this problem statement, and what are the technologies required to solve this problem, you can mention here. And what are the proposed benefits in this solving this challenge, and value propositions, you need to mention here. For example, which customer can buy your product, and to whom you are going to refer this product directly or indirectly. You can maybe you can sell the product to the government of India as well, or any private sectors. And here this is a very critical question. You need to understand what is the existing solutions in the present market, because this question has been asked in many competitions. You know why? Because if you understand this, if already this type of product is available in the market, why you are developing? That is what they expecting the answer. So that you need to write here how unique is my product is, and what are the existing products are there, and how different is my product, and how it scale up into the business model or into the society. You need to write it. And you need to also mention genuinely what are the other companies already existing in this and who are working on that, and what are the commercial advantages of this proposed solution, you need to mention in this field. And here, what is the life cycle support, and how do you think your innovation can be show steady progress in customer adoption, and how unique is the product, and how it will enter into the market slowly, and how is it market viable or not. Everything you need to mention here. Here see, every field having some sessions, they are directly asking the questions. If you try to answer their questions which are uh, appeared in this field, you can you almost done. Okay. And finally you need to upload a PDF that which having some your prototype design, your model, your technical things, and the complete procedure of your prototype working model. You can mention it in a Word format and convert it into PDF. Just simply upload. As well, you need to upload your 3 minutes video. In track 1, if you observe, only 2 minutes video is enough. But in track 3, like track 2, it's asking about 3 minutes video, so that you have the very much high scope. You can explain each and every step of your prototype, and how it is helping market procedures and your competitors, everything in this 3 minutes video. And I suggest you guys, please follow the business lean canvas model in your video description. By showing that business canvas model, it will be very easy to understand by the evaluators, to evaluate it very much easily. All items will be available there, all fields are available. And finally you need to submit the application. Remember, this is for student innovators. Other item is also available, like educators and researchers. If you click on this, like faculty members, if you want to submit your idea, it asks about where you are working, and your first name and department and designation and years of experience, and your team size and contact number. And next, if you go, this is same challenge, earlier I have showed the challenge submission form. You need to select what is the theme you are selecting for, and your idea and all the things. Okay, so these are the 2 tracks available in Samadhan, the MHRD Mega Online Challenge. Okay, so the important thing is, After submission done, you need to tweet in your Twitter account that it is recommended for all participants tweet once that I have submitted the title for the track 1 or 2 in hashtag Samadhan and tag HRD Ministry AICT underscore India and tag MHRD Innovation and tag @advisory. So it's scrolling on the screen. Okay, hope you understand. This MHRD Mega Online Challenge Samadhan is open right now, and April 14th is the last day, and there is a chance of winning 5 lakh rupees and incubation grant upon 50 lakhs and also $10,000 of credits by AWS. What you need to do is simply go to micgov.in. There you find this page, click on MHRD Mega Online Challenge and remaining rest you know. So I wish you all the best and hope many more submissions for this MHRD online challenge Samadhan. Thank you very much. Be safe, stay at home.